Greetings! Welcome! The day has come at last. Keto Macarons as seen during the debutante season.
Let us begin. Before you came, we prepared the macaron shells. They take a little work, so we wanted to get them ready for you. We took the finest almond flour. We sieved it to powder. Sieve, please.
Of course.
We ground it. You might do it in a coffee maker, a coffee grinder, or you could have done it in this newfangled provisioning equipment called a Cuisinart. The finest almond powder was sieved, and then we added the purest sparkling sugar and also just a pinch of salt.
Fear not, we will share the recipe link below.
We beat egg whites to soft peaks and then added a bit more salt, and we cheated a little and added cream of tartar to make the peaks even peakier in the essence of time.
Indeed. Then we added sparkling sugar, shimmering like a diamond, 1/4 teaspoon at a time.
And voila, if you don't have enough sugar, whatever should you do?
If you do not have enough sugar, never fear, as every good wife knows, and we at Keto Superheroes do indeed know this, one must be creative. We substituted powdered hard candy with no added sugar, and voila!
We had enough. So what color pleases you? You must decide. We chose blue, but you can pick any color you like for your macarons. Let me show you what the blue looks like. Beautiful, no?
Isn't it?
Then, 1/3 at a time.
Indeed, 1/3 at a time. We added and folded in the almond flour, and then we piped lovely circles into our specially designed baking mat from the vendor Amazon.
It's a silicone mat, and it allows you to have perfectly shaped, equally shaped, and sized macarons. We highly recommend a silicone mat.
Indeed. Simply because it is so much easier to pick up the cookie with these wonderful silicone mats.
And very few will break. Macarons are very fragile, like the finest ladies. Macarons on their mats
how
must
silly of me
rest.
to have forgotten.
Yes.
Then we let the macarons rest for an hour because they are very tired after being made.
And delicate, like the ladies we are.
Of course, of course.
And then into the oven they went.
At 300 Fahrenheit for 17 minutes, no more.
But now the best part has come.
Yes, the best part of any macaron is the filling.
One takes butter and makes it light and fluffy, which we have done. And
then we add our sparkling sugar. Now, of course, we used the remainder of our hard candy sugar that we had made with our Cuisinart or a coffee grinder.
so in this case, it adds just a taste of mint. Okay? Would you?
Now we are going to add the sparkling sugar.
You may put it all in, please.
Of course.
And then we have 2 more ingredients, just 2, to make the most delicious filling you've ever seen.
Our 2 remaining ingredients is, of course, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which always makes any treat decadent and delightful. But we should do this first before
Okay,
we
just a moment.
1 tablespoon at a time of the heaviest of creams, which you can find at a local merchant dealing with food.
So, you take a simple piping bag and you put some of the icing in the bag. And now we can prepare our first macaron.
Yes. Now, the important thing is to put the icing on one bottom of the shell. Sorry.
There we go. It's beautiful. The pink and the blue.
Oh yes,
And then
delightful. Then we properly put it
And
on our wonderful little tray here.
all right, we'll finish making the entire tray. We'll be right back.
Hello everybody and welcome back. As you can see, we have not only decorated our delightful macarons that we have made, but we've also put them on this delicious tea set.
You should pile them on your favorite plate. so that when your lady friends arrive, you can put them out and be proud. Enjoy, my friends. We certainly will.
Indeed. Wouldn't you be proud to show these off to Queen Charlotte? Or have Lady Whistledown mention them in her column?
And it's low carb, will not go to your pretty waistline.
Indeed.
Enjoy. I'm trying one.
Me too.
Better than any we've ever bought. And delicious and low carb. Look for the recipe, link below.
Indeed.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. I am Lady Jessica of Keto Superheroes.
And I am Lady Rosanna. Cheers.